Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Today we will look at wooden wall paneling ideas for your bedroom interior. There are indeed so many different ways to design an interior. One can even choose from a variety of material which has a big effect look of the entire space. You know how a certain space looks with the mural and wallpapers on them. Wood can be added to a room's interior in different ways. It can be wooden panel or tiles. It can be arranged in various creative ways. Wooden wall panel could be used for the entire walls of the bedroom, but it can also be used merely for accent walls. You can also see how wood textures vary and how wood create a warm and relaxing ambience in the bedrooms. Bedroom, the only personal space designated to each individual in every home, usually lack the space and outlook to get decked up to match the personality. With limited options to explore in furniture and accessories, the only way we can express ourselves on the walls of our bedroom is via wooden wall panels. When it comes to wall decor, cladding and paneling will add more character than normal painting. Apart from aesthetics and role in enhancing the beauty of the room, wall cladding is also important in protecting the structure of the building and shielding the interior from humidity, dirt, stain, and other problems that result in compromising with the style and beauty of the space. Decorating wall panels are a great way to infuse color, texture, characters into a simple bedroom and transform it into an extraordinary space. They can be made in materials such as wood, MDF, glass, vinyl, fabric, PVC, and so on. Wall panels can be installed on the wall behind the headboard of the bed so that they become the focal point. Take a look at these wall paneling of some well-designed bedrooms that are specially collected from Interior Decor Design viewers and subscribers. Wood as a natural material is timeless and versatile. Whether you fancy a cottage-style bedroom with rough edges and asymmetrical lines or a stylish western designed one, wood is your answer to everything. Wooden walls and panels give bedroom an alluring appeal, texture and depth. There are an array of finely molded wooden wall panel designs to pick from these days, and the best part is that it is incredibly simple to install. These clever design elements can be used in any bedroom and matches with every style. An alluring ashwood panel. Ashwood is strong, dense and durable. It is used to make bows, tools and baseball bats. No surprise then why we are suggesting a design made with an ashwood panel. It will last you for a lifetime. This wood can be used from floor to ceiling wall paneling on one side of the bed. Doesn't it create a warm, cozy feeling as if you are living in a cave? You can also add spotlight on the ceiling to add more to this design. A geometric cedar wooden wall panel. Wooden wall design with geometric pattern is another clever way to modernize your bedroom space. It is an unconventional design that goes well with modern bedroom aesthetics. Besides, these design can be customized to your taste. Symmetry of geometric patterns lend a seamless look, yet one that is striking. Also, cedar wood has a pleasant aroma and repel insect that makes it an ideal choice for a bedroom. Walnut wood panels. Offset wooden walnut paneling is an excellent idea for a modern bedroom. This lovely cladding patterns make it the major decor element of this bedroom designs. If you are picking a panel design for a bedroom that's a wee bit tight on space, this is the one for you. This design adds depth to a small sized bedroom, thereby making it look more spacious. Reclaimed oak panels. Whether you use fresh or reclaimed wood, the final panel design on your bedroom wall will be striking and add meaningful style to it. A focus wall or a room designed entirely with reclaimed wood paneling can transform it from staid to striking in seconds. Reclaimed wood paneling offers a rustic charm to your bedroom with a rough yet flawless appeal to the entire space. Rustic barn wood cove panels. Reclaimed barn wood with cove paneling make a significant impact in a bedroom as a feature of floor to ceiling walls. There are endless possibilities to play with these designs. textures and style when it comes to rustic barn wood. This type of panel design lives by its name and bring in the feel of an old rustic barn feel to any bedroom. Soft wood panels. If you aren't a fan of rustic design but do like the idea of using wood in your bedroom interior, consider soft paneling for your walls. The texture of this type is smooth and it is also easy on the eyes. Consider incorporating two tones to make your bedroom interior more attractive and stylish. Wood features wall in bright bedroom with light themes. Bedroom with timber features wall that are bright and airy look awesome. This involves using light colored wood and materials. White painted walls are a must. Curtains must be drawn to let more light in and plenty of light sources such as chandeliers, pendant lamps, down lights and table lamps to brighten things up in the evening. When choosing, use reclaimed wood from the same source or multiple sources. Sizes can be uniform or varied but arranged together to add a random yet orderly design. The wooden feature wall may not cover the entire wall on one side of the room. Each piece of wood is carefully arranged and fitted to create a column or completely cover one aspect of the wall. These wall accents are typically ceiling height and usually wall where the bed is put against. More than just a walls, these features wall serve as both the headboard for the bed frames and features wall rolled into one. Usually desk lamp, downlights, pendant lights, mounted reading lights, shelves and built-in small wooden side tables are applied to complete the look. For more lighting in the evening, use an elaborate modern pendant lights or chandelier with multiple light sources. Remember to allow plenty of light into the room during the day by drawing the curtains. You can use these designs as it is in your interior and your interior will look awesome. But if you want to have a personalized interior which suits your personality and also incorporate the overall look of your home interior, then you can choose these designs and make some modification according to your personality and your interior design. By this way, you match your interior design ideas and thereby making your interior design look unique and stylish as well. Don't copy any interior design accordingly as it is. Make some slight modification so that it suits your interior as well. For these type of designs, you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in. Thereby you will find tens and thousands of images designs that are designed by top interior designers, and you can modify these designs to suit your interior as well. For that you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in, where you will find modern interior design ideas according to your home. And for more design ideas, you can download our app Interior Decor Designs that is available on Android Play Store for you for free. In our app, you will find interior design ideas based on categories. If you want to make your interior of any part of your house, be it kitchen, bedroom, living room or balcony, you will find design ideas based on that. The only requirement is that you need to have internet connection, whereby you will get hundreds of design ideas from the best interior designers and top interior decorators. All the designs are there for free. So download that app and make your interior look awesome. So friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. Alternatively, you can also follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and Telegram for more design ideas. All the link is there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. Hope you all are good and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.